guys, Carrie from Carrie Buys Houses, and welcome back to our series on small business social media mastery. I am here again with Brooke from Blazing Bee Media. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Pinterest for your small business.
Yes.
So, Brooke, what is Pinterest?
So a lot of people are confused by Pinterest because when they hear Pinterest, they think, oh, it's like for moms trying to do crafts.
Look up recipes and crafts.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
But Pinterest is actually one of the biggest social media platforms right behind Facebook. Because what Pinterest is it's link building. It's image and link building. And if you post something on Pinterest with an image, it goes on to Google Images. A lot of people don't realize that. They don't realize that that is a really important factor of Pinterest. So Pinterest is to share usually photo content, just photo content that links to articles. And that's the general purpose of it.
Okay. And so why would a small business owner use Pinterest?
Pinterest can be really helpful in getting more website traffic or sometimes even leads. For businesses that are based around, crafts or recipes or even makeup, Pinterest is useful for getting leads directly from it because they can link to their products.
Right.
But for a business like your business where it's
service industry,
industry and it's investing, you can post links back to your blogs, which take people to your website, and then they're on your website, they're reading your blog, they're improving your bounce rate because they're there, they're reading, they might be interested, they might contact you. So Pinterest is good for building links that create leads.
Okay. How often should you post to Pinterest?
Pinterest is a fun one because you can honestly post as many times as you want to Pinterest because it's not really a news feed based thing or a subscription based thing. So you're not going to get any spam penalties. You can, but it's recommended that you post around once a day to Pinterest depending on your business. If you have a business that's recipes, yes, post every single day. If you have a service-based business, post 3 times a week. But you can honestly post as many times as you want. It doesn't matter. There's not really any penalties for that on Pinterest.
Okay. What's the difference between a board and a pin?
Okay, so a pin is when someone takes just one post on Pinterest, they pin it, they like it. That's it. It's the equivalent of like a thumbs up on Facebook.
Like a like on Facebook.
Yes.
Okay.
Boards are how they're sorted. So when you're making your Pinterest posts, it's going to usually ask you what board do you want to put this in. You could choose no board, but you do want to put it into a board because there will be boards that have hundreds of pins in them and they're just around real estate investing or just around makeup how-to or Thanksgiving recipes. And if you pin your pin into that board, you are going to get more traffic because people are searching for those boards specifically to scroll through all the content because that's more of a topic umbrella.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. And how do I get my pins more seen?
So there's this plugin called Rich Pins. And it's way too long for me to explain how to install it right now, but there are plenty of directions online, step-by-step directions on how to install it. But Rich Pins allows you to have better description visibility, more keywords. Rich Pins really elevate your pins as far as their visibility and like Pinterest ranking for them. And it's a free plugin, so free plugin. So Pinterest is free. Oh yeah, and plugins are great, especially you can usually find a free plugin for your needs, but Rich Pins is one that I would highly, highly recommend for getting more views on Pinterest.
Excellent. So that is a great resource and it's free. It's free. Well, cool. Thanks so much, Brooke. Guys, if you want to learn more about how social media can help your business, we are going to have Brooke come to our next meetup. She's going to be our guest speaker, and we're going to be diving deep into all things related to social media when it comes to running a small business. We do hold our meetups every second Monday of each month. Go ahead and go to our meetup.com link in the description, or you can find us on meetup.com if you type in the words Real Estate Riches Clubhouse. You can also go to our Facebook page, Real Estate Riches Club. Go ahead and like us and follow us, and then you can get access to all of the live streams because we do live stream these videos, which means you don't even have to come out. You can sit and watch them from your couch in your PJs. So if you go onto that Facebook group, you also get access to all of our previous live streams. We have tons of guest speakers, and this is going to be a really exciting topic because we've used social media. We're starting to use it more and more in our business, and it's really I mean, we're getting more leads, we're getting more business through it. So we'll see you at the meetup, and we'll see you on the next video when we talk about WordPress. See you later.